Hi guys, today I would like to introduce all new features of our Ultra flow light. You see these two pieces of flow light. This one is original design, this one is updated version. Now in our new design, we put an LED lens on our LED chip. And we have many LED chip lens options. The LED chip options beneath our lamp. Our bracket is adjustable. Here is the brass waiver. It can keep the outside and inside temperature same, so they will not jump the attention to the glasses.